Hi and welcome to day 10, we're getting there, of Mysterious March. Today we are doing the Narwhal. I don't have a physical photo of this guy, but I'll put images up on screen and let's jump into the video. So, what makes them mysterious? Yes, a narwhal is a whale, not a unicorn. We talked about the okapi as a unicorn. Could this be the ocean unicorn? Well, but the tusk on the narwhal is actually an overgrown tooth. A lot of animals have horns or cones or protrusions coming out of their bodies, and a lot even have continuously growing teeth, such as rodents, elephants, and walruses. But they differ in their development, function, and appearance. Narwhals also have the longest version of this elongated tooth at about 3 meters or 9.8 feet. By the way, walrus tusks grow to about a meter or 3.2 feet. The left tooth of a male narwhal projects straight forward from the upper jaw, featuring a left-hand spiral groove. It is made of ivory. Narwhal tusks are possibly the most like what we expect a unicorn horn to be like. They have also historically been sold as unicorn horns in medieval times. Where are they found? They are found in Arctic coastal regions and rivers. They actually don't like where different oceans merge together because they don't like the salinity level. They grow between 3.5 to 5 meters in length, which is 13 feet, and weigh between 1,000 to 1,600 kilograms, 2,200 pounds. They have upturned flippers at the tips and no dorsal fin. They have 2 teeth, but usually only the left one develops into the tusk. A bunch of theories are floating around about the use of the narwhal's tusks, but it is believed that they are used as spears for hunting fish, but also for detecting the level of salt or salinity of their environment. Males may also use the tusks during mating season against competition for mates. Narwhals usually travel in groups between 15 to 20, but herds of 1,000 up to 1,000 have been found. They can also live to between 90 and 100 years old, with the oldest known one being around 125 years old. Narwhals and beluga whales are related and are the toothed whales together in the order Odontoceti. The narwhal is one of the deepest diving whales, diving to around 1,800 meters or 5,905 feet. They have myoglobin, a molecule binding oxygen in their muscles. They have a high concentration of myoglobin, which is a molecule binding oxygen in their muscles, which is twice as much as some seal species. An average size narwhal can carry 70 litres of oxygen in its lungs, blood and muscles. During a dive, a narwhal can also shut off blood flow to selected organs or non-critical body parts, and their streamlined bodies help them dive and conserve energy and oxygen in the high pressure, low oxygen, cold sea depths. They feed on fish and squid and prefer fish that live on the ocean floor, hence why they do these deep dives. The name narwhal comes from the Icelandic words nar, meaning coarse, because of its pale colour, and whale comes from whale. Okay, so that's all I've got there for the narwhal. There is a lot of information on them and I could do a whole other video on them. But for now we're just going to end it there and get onto some drawing. So thanks so much for watching this video. We are getting there. We're on to day 10. We're part way through. So wish me luck for the rest of the month and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.